I need the balance of yin and yang in my life. So after all that spicy food, I want something sweet. I'm making orange and Chinese 5-spice dusted churros, and I'm serving them up with hot chocolate. To make these, water, orange juice, just 75 mils of juice, and then a tablespoon of olive oil, a good teaspoon of salt, and then for the fragrance and real taste of oranges, these are really good ones, the zest of these oranges, 2 of them. And just make sure when you're zesting the oranges, just try and scrape along, and that way you're not going to get the bitter pith, the white stuff. You want to try and avoid that. So once that's done, straight onto the hob. And I'm going to bring this up to a boil. Now, churros are synonymous with Spain and Portugal, but it's believed that actually the Portuguese, when they sailed to the Orient, fell in love with some sort of Chinese donut, and that's where they were inspired to make churros. My orange mixture is boiling now. Time to add the flour to make the dough. Pop that in, all of it, and then I'm going to whisk like mad. It's like a workout, which is good because it's all good preparation for eating something really simple. Once it's come together like this, just get in with a wooden spoon and continue to cook it. You can see it's a dough now. It's no longer liquid. Just really work it, cook out that flour. You can see it's quite firm now. So it's ready, and I want to cool it down. I'm just going to pop it in a bowl, and that's ready to pipe later. In the meanwhile, I'm going to get on with the chocolate accompaniment. I've got a bain-marie set up here. Bain-marie is just a double boiler, so there's boiling water in the bottom pan, and that way we're not going to get a heat that's going to scorch anything. It's a very gentle heat. Into that, double cream. It is pudding after all. Milk. And I'm going to infuse this with some spices. A few whole cloves. And this just smells like Christmas. Some Szechuan peppercorns with some spice. Fennel seeds, and added to that a lovely quill cinnamon, which I'm just going to break in. And those are actually the spices that make up Chinese 5-spice when they ground together. Just one little peel. Sounds amazing. Once that starts warming up, you can put the chocolate in, but right now I just want those spices to really infuse the cream and milk. I'm going to let that do its thing, and my churros batter will probably be a little cooler now, so I'm going to pop it in a piping bag. In it goes. That should do it. Test and see if it's working. Oh, that's just perfect. You can see how beautiful and serrated it is. The milk's coming to a bit of a simmer. I'm going to throw in about 250 grams of dark chocolate. This is 70% chocolate, and it's got a really bitter flavor, which is what I want for this dessert. In it goes, and it's just going to melt beautifully. Churros are essentially a type of donut, and every type of donut needs to be rolled in sugar. The caster sugar here, and I've got this wonderfully fragrant Chinese spice. Give it a quick mix with my finger. And now I'm going to fry my churros. I'm just going to pipe them in gently. And fry them on a lowish heat because you want them to cook all the way through. And I like to keep some long and some short. This adds to the fun of it all. These are going to cook long and slow. You're not looking for a really fast fry here, because otherwise they'll be cooked on the outside and raw on the inside. You want them cooked all the way through and really crisp on the outside. So while these churros are frying slowly, I'm just going to strain my chocolate. It's just molten chocolate silk. Oh, look at that. It really is a thing of absolute sinful beauty. My churros are ready. Quick shake, drain off the excess oil, and then a jolly roll in some sugar. My churros are ready and I can't wait to serve them up. Warm, spiced hot chocolate. And a few churros. Crispy sticks of dewy pleasure and the best hot chocolate you'll ever taste. I can never limit myself to churros because frankly they are